We have our accessories all laid out in order so we know where they're going. The controller, we need to put some AA batteries into that. We've got a little screwdriver, some stickers, WPL, charger, our lithium battery, and our accessories that are laid out here. So some of the accessories we're not going to put on the model because we're going to paint it first, then add it on. And some of them, I'm going to turn this around, we'll show you, we have done beforehand because I've seen other videos and I've seen that these are actually really quite tricky to click in. I am going to attempt to do it. Let's see how tricky this is. Just saying, William clicked these ones in. So I'm going to click these ones in. So I guess that's where we're going to start. That's 2 in. Ha! Oh my god. Okay, I'm not weak. I'm not weak or anything, I'm just going. Okay, William, can you come and help? Seriously, that is one complaint that I have, and probably the only, I'm hoping. That's really tricky, and I don't want to be responsible for breaking my husband's new model, so,
Oh.
Wow. I mean, it's a good tight fit. It's a good tight fit, but say that seriously. But seriously, that's really difficult to get in.
Sort of fingers.
Okay, I can be the assistant that hands it to you. He's struggling. Thank you. Did that hurt? Thank you, husband of mine. There we go. So that is the only complaint I have, is the fact that that is actually really quite difficult to click in. I would be frightened that I would do some damage to it. And I can see my husband, William, is literally standing behind the camera going, ah, that hurt his finger. Right, so they're on. Brilliant. Okay. So I think what we're going to do next is I'll go for these little fans. So we're going to click them in. Okay. They go in to the little holes here. Okay. They'll be really cack-handed there. There you go. You can see that on the camera. Okay. The exhausts and these covers here, we are not going to clip them in until we've done the paint on them. Okay, so we've got a little top bit here, which I'm just going to click in. I'm not struggling whatsoever. Yay! Did it! We have a light. That's in. Oh my god! Oh. Oh. Oh dear. Right, we've got the doors that come with little door hinges. Now, I don't know whether anyone can tell, right? I've never done this before. So please bear with me. I'm not as glamorous as all these others that do these unboxing videos and they're all perfect and well scripted and well edited. That's not me. You get the real thing. I'm not saying the others are not real, oh, for God's sake. Right. Okay, we have door clicked in. Yeah, thank you. Right, and this time, maybe the camera can zoom in a little bit so that we can see what we're doing this time. Okay, so door hinge and door. and you just push it in. This doesn't need an incredible amount of force, so that's good. And I can do this without the help of my husband. Just, she says. Right, that's on. Okay. Door hinge, and just clicked in here. Voila. Okay, we'll go for the wiper blades next, which is 2 little holes up here. And wow, they are fiddly. That is really fiddly. I'm going to call for assistance because I'm a bit frightened I'm going to bend these ones. That is really fiddly. When William doesn't do it first time, that's when I know that I know it's fiddly and I'm not just being ditzy or anything like that. Fiddly, isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah.
So unfortunately, that's another little, just a little niggle.
Second one.
This is when the wife goes, told you so. Yay, we got it in the right hole.
Oh, was that the wrong hole before?
I don't know. Whoa! There we go, he did it. Both in, correct holes, and that looks pretty good actually. I like that, that's cool. Right, what am I going to struggle with next? Okay, so we have got these little lights which I'm going to put on the front here. So we have 2 of these. I'm going to attempt to put the first one in. It's in. And the second one. I did it. It's in. Thanks. Right. 2 of these little handles which go on the top of the cab here. Nice and easy. Pushed in. And there we go. And I've just seen that what I put in has fallen out. So the fans, we're just going to put them back in again into place. There we go. So they'll be clipped in once properly, once we've got it all painted and done what we want to do. But so as far as assembly, easy, but just a few little tricky bits, being the wheel hubs there and the wiper blades. Apart from that, there we are, we're done. Ready to roll, ready to put our custom paint on it. And we'll look forward to doing some more videos very soon of what we're going to do with this. All right, bye.